harvest the corn here. So there's just a big old machine, and look, it's running already. That's the corn. They don't need to kill anymore. It's already harvesting. They just sit there. And in fact, there's only one guy driving the machine, and he just parked his red truck. Very interesting. In Philippines, we harvest one by one. We pick it up one by one. But here, they're just like one person. So this is the whole field that he's gonna harvest it. So now he's moving. This guy is moving in the other area. So if you can see it, there is moving right now. So look, that's gonna be very interesting. There's only one person, so he's gonna grab everything from his machine like that. And then he's gonna come back later and he's gonna put it and he's gonna take it to the dump truck. See how clean? So he's gonna go all the way on that side. Just one person. And he would probably finish this one just like probably in one day. So his truck was parking here in the corner in front of my house. And then he will come back after he grab all this corn now. Actually, this is the corn that you cannot eat. They harvest this one for cow feeds. Very easy for them. Even when they plant this corn a few months ago, it's just only one person driving a machine and plowing, and after that one planting the seed and water it. Actually there isn't water irrigation here, so now it's the time for harvesting. But it was amazing to look because as I remember in Philippines, we harvest the corn, especially in my grandparents' farm or my relatives' farm. We pick one by one, and it takes us for 3 days, 4 days. It depends how big or how much big the size of our field. And I remember we put it in the sack. We do it one by one. Put it in the sacks, and then we put it in the sacks, and then we grab it from the middle in the field. So let's wait this guy come back, and I will show you. He bring a lot of corn by that time, and he put it in his truck. It's already peeled. Now he's turning around. It's very interesting how the machine can help in one job, that it's easy and quick to be done. In Philippines, the labor is very hard. You need to hire people to harvest the corn, and actually after harvesting you dry up too, and then after that one, that's the time that you're gonna grind. But here they have everything. It's easy for them. So this guy is coming back now, and there's another little one cleaning up, following to make it sure there's nothing left, like just plowing right away. Pretty neat. It was a quick job for them. He's following that thing earlier. to make it sure it flows. There he is. And the big machine carrying a load of corn now will come back into this red truck and pour the one that he got harvested. Yes, we'll see closer. I feel like I'm watching or playing the Farm Bill in Facebook watching this one. Here he's coming. So he will pour the corn in the red truck. Let's see. Because earlier I showed a video that it's already pouring into the red truck. This one here just turning around right now. Or probably he's gonna go back to the other side and get more. He's gonna probably finish this one for half day. I have that feeling because there's two of them right now running around. So now he's backing up. Oh, looks like he's going forward now. Yep, I think he's gonna go few rounds. But we'll come back when he pours. So I will show you when he poured the thing and the corn into this red truck, okay? So I think this time he's gonna dump the corn that he harvested. Yep, there's the big spout, the yellow one. And we're gonna put in the truck right away. Watch this. It's very interesting. And it's just gonna be sit there. There's the corn pouring. Is that amazing? You never fail it. Nothing. You just grab the whole corn and put it in the machine and that's the one come out. Before noon, he's gonna be done. So now he's kind of moving so the corn will be even in the truck. So it looks like he's pouring in the back right now. Very interesting. Later I will show you if the ground was already clear. If you see it, how many corn still there. Later I will finish the video showing you when he finished up all this harvesting thing going on today. Right now, it's just like a couple hours after the first video I took. This guy is almost done harvesting his corn. Look at that. He was way in the end already. It's probably like one more round and he's all done. Just half day job. See his corn, and that's his red truck down there. But that's how quick they done the job. Because earlier, like a couple hours ago, when I first videoed them, that was earlier, couple hours, they're just like not that far. But look at this guy right now. Where is he? It was just nice to see how they can harvest the produces the quick way. If this is in Philippines, it takes us probably a week for people to pick it up one by one, the corn. But dang, this guy is gonna be done. I'm sure it's gonna be done because it's only 2 o'clock right now, so they still have a daylight. So he gonna done his job just for one day. And probably he have like more than 10 acres here that he harvests the produce. But it's pretty neat. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe.